I will be starting off by priming my face, and for that I would be using the Inside Cosmetics long lasting primer. It is a long lasting primer, so it makes the face very matte and it reduces the appearance of larger pores. So it is perfect for Pujo as we are going to wear this makeup throughout the day. Quickly moving on to the foundation, and for that I would be using the Makeup Revolution Stick Foundation in the shade F10. So this is a perfect match to my skin tone and it is a very lightweight foundation, so it is perfect for daytime, and we do not want a heavy cakey makeup in Pujo. We want our skin to glow from within, so I'm using this foundation in the shade F10, and then I would be blending the foundation using my fingers, and after that I would be quickly blending it with a beauty blender. I love to blend my foundation with this technique. What it does is that beauty blender tends to soak a lot of foundation, so I like to blend with the foundation firstly with my fingers, and then I like to blend the rest of it with a damp beauty blender. So this is how you are using less products and you are achieving a flawless face at the same time. Moving to the brows, I would be using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow brow kit. So this is a perfect brow kit that I always rave about and all of you must know by now. So as you can see, I've done a small slit on my brows. I know a very bad decision, but I had to cover it up with a dark brown shade. Now to bring back some color to the face, I would be using the C.A.L Los Angeles Contour Wheel in the darkest shade. So this is a very pigmented shade and you need to use it very carefully. So I've just taken a little bit on the brush and then I would be bronzing my face entirely to bring back a little bit of warmth on my face. And if you want, you can do a heavy contour, but I want my Pujo look to be very subtle, so that's why I went on with subtle bronzing. Then I will be taking this banana shade from the same contour palette and set my under eye area. So as you can notice, I haven't used any concealer today just because I felt that concealer will give a very heavy makeup look, so I skipped the concealer altogether. For the eye makeup, I would be using this My Glam Manish Malhotra palette. So this is the perfect palette for festive season. I feel this has such beautiful shades for festive season as well as for bridal makeup, and the pigmentation is out of the world. This palette is by far my favorite palette till now in terms of pigmentation and shades. So I would be using the dark burgundy shade and then I would be blending it on my crease along with the front section of my eyes with a blending brush. Then I would be going in with this soft brown shade to blend the crease line. I am using this shade to make sure that there is no harsh line and it looks effortlessly seamless. Then using the same blending brush, I would be dragging the burgundy shade to the lower lash line. Next, I would be going in with this stunning golden shade, and this is the star eyeshadow of the entire look, and it ties the entire look together so effortlessly. I would be applying it on top of the eyelid, and it looks so pretty when the light hits on the eyes. It makes the entire makeup glow, and a Ashtami makeup look can never be complete with a little bit of glitter, right? Next, I would be using this frosty glitter shade. So this shade has a little bit of golden sparkle to it. I would be using this shade to highlight my inner corner, and then I would directly go with the wing liner, and for that I'm using this Lakme felt tip wing liner. So as this is a Ashtami makeup look, I wanted to do a dramatic wing liner. If you want, you can make your wing little bit thinner as well, but this looks much better on my eye shape and it makes my eye look much bigger than it is. Then I would be going in with this Sugar Cosmetics Kohl pencil and tightline my lower lash line. A Bengali look can never be complete with a good amount of kohl, right? So I would be applying it on the lower lash line and then I would be blending it with the burgundy shade that I've already applied. Then for blush, I would be going in with my current favorite blush, which is from Sugar Cosmetics, and it looks so pretty on the cheeks, especially for Indian skin tone. For highlighter, I chose this illuminator from Miss Claire, and this is in the shade Shiny Beige. So it is a very reflective illuminator and you need to be very subtle with this. So I would be blending it with my damp beauty blender so that it soaks up the excess amount of product. To line my lips, I would be using this lip liner from In Color in the shade Purple. For the mascara, I went on with my favorite mascara, that is a L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise. It literally takes the lashes to paradise. It gives such amazing volume to the lashes and it lengthens the lashes at the same time. That is why it is my current favorite. For the lipstick, I would be using this stunning red shade from the company Mana. Let me know if I am pronouncing it wrong. I actually got this lipstick in a monthly subscription box and I felt that it would be perfect for this look, and this is in the shade Guilty. Next, I would be using the shade Soft Matte from the Maybelline Ultra Matte collection to seal the lipstick that we have already applied. So the previous lipstick was a satin lipstick and I wanted my lips to look super duper matte. That is why I went on with this shade. So the combination of this two lipstick is perfect for this look. And for the outfit, I chose this beautiful red and white sari, which is a Bengali staple. And this sari is actually my mom's, and I stole her jewelry as well for this particular look, and it looks so pretty. I also went on with a red bindi and white gajras. And that's the entire video, you guys. I really wanted to incorporate a full Bengali look in my series Diwali, and I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section below how you like this and how this looks on me. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get notified every time I come up with a new video. You can always follow me on Instagram as I'm totally active there. And till then, stay safe, stay positive, stay happy. I will see you guys tomorrow.